This is a video on evaluating and writing algebraic expressions. For an expression to be algebraic, it needs to have a variable, and a variable is a symbol, and it's usually a letter that represents one or more numbers. And an algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase. It's not a complete thought, it's not a complete sentence with at least one variable. So an expression describes a situation but doesn't say what it's equal to. So here's some examples down here. The first three more than a number increased by 3, the sum of a number and 3. These words all indicate that my algebraic expression is an addition expression. So if I want to translate these words into an algebraic expression, I would just put, I can pick any variable, I like x plus 3. We're taking 3 more than this number. We're taking this number and increasing it by 3. We're finding the sum of these 3. It's all the same algebraic expression. If we're saying the quotient of a number and 8, or a number divided by 8, then we're talking about division. So if we want to write an expression for this, we're going to take a variable and say it's some number divided by 8. Now in algebra, usually they indicate division by using the fraction symbol, right? You guys might be used to seeing it like this, but we're going to try to get away from using this symbol because in algebra you're going to see this symbol, or it's going to look like this, right? So that's the way your that's the way your division is going to look. If it says 6 times a number, or the product of a number and 6, then these numbers indicate multiplication. You should know product indicates you're going to multiply. And when we write multiplication with a variable, we always put the number first. It's called the coefficient, and then we put the variable. So it'd be like 6a. We don't put a6. We don't put 6 and then the multiplication symbol and then a, because the multiplication symbol looks like a variable. So this is the way multiplication looks when you get into algebra. Now, subtraction is the one that a lot of kids miss because they think the first number goes first and the second number goes second. But if we're taking 10 less than a number, we're taking 10 away from the number. If we're decreasing a number by 10, we're still taking 10 away from the number. If 10 is getting subtracted from a number, so all of these is going to be the number a minus 10. Addition, it doesn't matter so much whether you put it in the wrong order because addition is commutative. It means that whether you say x plus 3 or 3 plus x, you get the same sum. But with subtraction, it makes a big difference. Some number minus 10 is not the same as 10 minus that number. So you have to be careful of that, all right? I want you to do these 4. They're going to be on your video. So do those and put your numbers in the video. Then we're going to evaluate an algebraic expression, and that means that we're going to